Hello Tom, this is my video recording for Rainforest. This is my submission for it. So this is what the rendered version looks like in case you have any problems with yours. So this is the index page. Has the title of the page at the top, that's common throughout, and the navigation bar, which is also common throughout. It has this welcome to Rainforest introduction. You will notice the flashy image slider, that's just showing you images that are used in the website, and they're not necessarily products, but they could be like coming soon products or something like that. So then we at the bottom of the page we get this sign up now sort of like section paragraph. It allows you to create an account if you're a new user, or if you're an existing user and you don't want to click down here to My Forest, which is like the login page. You can just log in your information here and it will log you straight in. So that's the index page. If you go over to Fruits of the Rainforest, which is basically like the product section, you're greeted with the category filter selection, or you're then met by the search for a product. So if you don't, well, when you first load the page, all the products get added into the page, get displayed out. They get displayed out in a nice little column like this. And there's pretty much every product in the database there. So if you hover, obviously it's only small, you can only see the product name and the product description. So if you hover over this, it will grow, which will then allow you to see more information. It shows you the product description and the product manufacturer. Here's the price, product image on the left, and reviews on the right. So it's obviously, this is a scroll box, because obviously you're going to have endless amounts of reviews in theory. There's a slight problem with this bit, where you can insert a select box into the code. So if you typed in some HTML code into this, it will get printed out along with the rest of the reviews. You will notice here that you can't submit a review, because you can only do it when you're logged in, and that's the way of keeping track who submitted the review. So that's pretty much the products page. If you do filter by books, there you go, there's all the books on the database. So basically it just queries the database for products where category equals the category select. Then this product name, if I typed in tab as an example, it will bring up all the products with the name of the is like tab. So this is like a query that searches for products where their name is like and then the entered search. Obviously this is using the prepare statement, so it's you can SQL inject here. So if I do an apostrophe here, press submit, so showing results for apostrophe, it doesn't do anything because obviously it's a prepare statement, and so it's completely safe from SQL injection. So you have the navigation bar at the bottom here, which is common throughout, and you have the little shopping, copyright shop, Rainforest shopping. And then obviously you will notice that once these are green, like the brightest green, and when you hover over them they go slightly darker green, and then they're the darkest green when you're actually on that specific page, so you know whereabouts you are. It's like a tabbed view. This brings you up to the login page where you can create an account below. So if I type in me, 1111, oh, 1111. 2, 1. Obviously this is a brand new HTML5 input field, this one, which obviously is email type, because these are all text, which then allows you to enter any sort of text that gets sent to the database. Obviously this is an email input type, so it'll only accept email. So if I type my user, if I do Reese video, and then type my password as password, most secure password in the world, and click continue, it will create my account. So it takes a little while to create your account because of the password hashing level I've done. I did a salt of 15, I believe it was, using the password underscore hash method, which obviously quite heavy encryption, obviously. And on a dual core machine, running the server, recording the video, and displaying the website, it takes quite a while to actually render that page. So you can edit information. So this pulls everything out in the database. So you notice everything I put was 1. So if I change that to 11 some road, and then click submit, get this little thing, information successfully updated. You will notice that it hasn't actually been updated yet, but if I go back down here and press return, back to information, there it is. It's just a logic in the code, it doesn't update when you press submit. So this is where you can create and recreate your password. So obviously our password is password. So if we enter submit here, If you've got some validation on the form, the password fields were left blank. So now if I typed in password as pass, even more secure, so then you type submit, it will then re-encrypt your password, and then like any of the big online shopping websites, it will force you to log out. And then log in with your new password. So you press login, and then if I go back here, and then type in, oh, not type, Reese video, and then password as pass, and press login. There you go, so then log us back in, so we change the password. If you just type in submit, it says password fields were left blank, get rid of that. Then if you type in two different passwords here, so if you type in lol here, and then JK here, press submit, it goes passwords did not match, please try again, make sure they match. It's just a way of making sure the passwords are valid, so you know which one to encrypt. Press return, you can view your reviews. Obviously this is a brand new account I've just created this video, so this account doesn't have any reviews, but now that we are logged in, we can show you the button to add a review. So we'll just do the top one. If you press add review, it brings down this, so it pulls your name out, your username out of the database, allows you to review. So it looks very red, good price. There's your email address, gets pulled out by the database. Press 4, click submit review, and obviously you will notice that the page just gets re-rendered with no products there. If you type in electronics, that's homeware, press filter, and there you go, my review will be just there. So that's adding the review, so that's everything that a standard user can do. So if I log out and log in as an admin, there we go, I'll show it, press log in. So I get these admin options. So I have the ability to delete user, create an admin, category mode, product mode. So if I can press on delete user, it will print out every single user minus the user that's already logged in. Actually, no, that's not right, because I'm just there. Yeah, okay, that's a bit broken. It shouldn't actually do that, but here we go. So if I press delete Tom from there, press delete, there you go, delete operation completed successfully. So I've just deleted that user from the database. Press return. And then if I create an admin user, obviously as you can see it's not there again. So I can either select any of these, which is pre-drawn out of the database, or I can log in or create a brand new user to add to be an admin. Obviously this effort's much easier if you know who you want to add, or if you need to create a brand new person as an admin, they already get re-entered. So category mode. So this box allows you to scroll through all the categories in the database. This box obviously allows you to see all the products in the database with a checkbox. If I want to edit books, I can modify the category books. It puts the placeholder value to the category name that's already in the database. So if I was to type in book, apply changes, notice how it gets updated just here. Then if I want to put it back, if I want to edit that back to books, apply changes, and it gets popped back in. So I can create a brand new category, type in music as an example, press create, there you go, category gets created successfully, and there's music. So now let's say I want to delete that category, there we go, so I can delete multiple categories at once if I wanted to, so I press delete operation complete successfully. So we have successfully deleted category. Now you can do the same with products. It's pretty much the exact same page but with products. You can modify, press edit, so that allows you to modify the product details. You notice how it's a bigger form than the modified product categories. Notice how that for all of these pop-ups, no matter what page you're on, you cannot select the background website. You can scroll but you can't access the background website. You can create a brand new product if you wanted to. Go through in here, create book, select category, enter the price, enter the product description, enter the product name. The only thing you cannot do is enter the product manufacturer. So you can go through and delete a product if you want to. So if I want There you go. So if you go through and select product to delete, say I want to delete this sofa, press delete, and the operation complete successfully. There you go, and that's that done. That's pretty much all you can do as an admin. You can view your reviews. So now that I'm actually on an account that has reviews, these are all the reviews I've posted. So it tells me obviously it knows it's me, but still put out the review anyway. Got the review description, the rating, and the date it was posted, and the product it was posted to. So obviously for this one example, really good phone, going back, give it 5 out of 5, date it was posted, and iPhone 7. That's the product, that was the description, and you can press return. And that's pretty much my entire website that we've gone through there, and that's how it works. There we go. Obviously, and then this updates when you're logged in to just view account, so you know how if you log out and go back there, instead of it saying view account, it says sign in or create an account. Well, there you go. That's my assignment. That's my assignment video coming to an end, and I hope you enjoyed the tour.